Understanding digital subscriptions, your gateway to unlimited content. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very relevant and modern topic: digital subscriptions. This concept has transformed the way we access and consume content online, from news articles to video streaming services. Let's explore what digital subscriptions are, how they work, and why they've become so popular. Our journey will help you grasp not just the meaning, but also the significance of this digital age phenomenon. Stay tuned to unlock the world of endless content at your fingertips. A digital subscription refers to the process of paying a fee to access digital content or services on the internet. Unlike traditional subscriptions, which may involve physical deliveries, digital subscriptions are entirely online. This could include anything from online newspapers, magazines, streaming services, to educational platforms. The key idea is access. By subscribing, you gain entry to exclusive content or services not available for free. The mechanism behind digital subscriptions is straightforward but effective. Typically, you choose a subscription plan, provide payment details, and voila! You're granted access to a wide array of digital content. Plans vary widely, offering monthly, quarterly, or annual payment options, and sometimes even a free trial period to get a taste before committing. This model benefits both the provider, by generating steady revenue, and the subscriber, through uninterrupted access to content. Digital subscriptions come with a plethora of advantages. They offer convenience, access content anytime, anywhere, on any device. Variety. From entertainment to education, there's a subscription for nearly every interest. Cost-effectiveness. Often cheaper in the long run than buying individual products or services. Personalization. Many services tailor the content to your preferences, enhancing your experience. With so many options available, selecting the right digital subscription can be overwhelming. Consider your interests, budget, and consumption habits. Do you prefer reading, watching, or listening? How much are you willing to spend? Answering these questions will guide you towards the subscription that best fits your lifestyle. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of digital subscriptions and how they offer a window to unlimited content at our fingertips. In this digital era, understanding and leveraging these subscriptions can significantly enhance our learning, entertainment, and overall online experience. Thank you for watching, and remember, the right subscription can unlock a world of knowledge and joy for you. Happy subscribing!